In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Experian versus Credit Karma and help you decide which one might be the best credit monitoring app for you. Let's start with Experian. As one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, Experian provides a credit monitoring app that grants you direct access to your Experian credit report and FICO score. This is particularly valuable because FICO scores are most frequently used by lenders when assessing loan or credit applications. So with Experian, you're viewing the same score that a lender might see. The free version offers monitoring and alerts for significant changes, such as the opening of a new account or a late payment. However, it's important to note that this free version only tracks information from the Experian Bureau and does not include data from TransUnion or Equifax. What sets Experian apart is their Experian Boost feature. This tool allows you to add positive payment histories from non-traditional sources like utility bills or streaming services to your credit reports. Since on-time payments are a crucial factor in credit scoring, this can potentially enhance your FICO score quickly, which is particularly beneficial for those with limited credit histories. For a more comprehensive service, Experian's paid premium plan includes 3 bureau monitoring, dark web scans, and identity theft insurance, providing not only alerts, but also financial compensation and recovery support in case of identity theft. This might be more suitable for individuals who are very credit conscious or have previously experienced identity theft. Overall, Experian is a robust platform that offers data directly from the source, but the free version only offers a glimpse of your credit profile. Now, when we transition to Credit Karma, you'll notice it's a free consumer-focused platform that pulls data from 2 major bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. This makes its free version broader than Experian's, even though it lacks Experian's data. Unlike Experian, Credit Karma uses the Vantage Score model. Although legitimate, it may differ from your FICO score by several points, meaning lenders might see a different figure. However, for tracking trends in your credit score, Vantage Score is still quite reliable. Credit Karma offers an entirely free service with a rich feature set, delivering real-time alerts for changes in your credit reports, personalized dashboard insights, and even approval odds for credit products. While Credit Karma's approach is more commercial because it monetizes through financial partnerships, offering frequent product recommendations, it doesn't include full-scale identity theft recovery like Experian's paid plans. Nevertheless, it's perfect for everyday users seeking a straightforward, no-cost approach to staying on top of their credit reports. Ultimately, if your goal is to monitor your credit for free and catch major changes early, Credit Karma is a wise choice. If you're focused on obtaining the most accurate credit score, particularly the FICO score that lenders use, Experian is your go-to, especially if you opt for their premium service. So, think of Credit Karma as your everyday driver and Experian as the specialist for those serious about their FICO data and security.